In Green Cove Springs, homeowners take pride in creating inviting and attractive residences that reflect the beauty of the community. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's exterior and make it stand out is by choosing the right window styles. Windows do more than let in light, they set the tone for your home's curb appeal. Whether your style is traditional, modern, or coastal inspired, the right windows can dramatically improve how your property looks and feels. Why window styles matter for curb appeal. Curb appeal is all about first impressions. It's what neighbors, visitors, and potential buyers notice immediately about your home. Windows are a key design element that can either elevate or detract from that impression. Proportion and placement. Windows that match your home's scale create harmony and balance. Style consistency. Choosing window designs that align with your home's architecture enhances its charm. Visual interest. Unique window styles break up plain walls and add character to your exterior. For Green Cove Springs homeowners, windows that combine beauty with functionality are the perfect way to boost curb appeal. Classic double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are a timeless favorite for a reason. Versatility. They suit a wide variety of architectural styles, from traditional southern homes to more modern builds. Balance and symmetry. Their clean, even look creates a polished exterior appearance. Functionality. Both the top and bottom sashes open, allowing for better airflow. In Green Cove Springs neighborhoods, double-hung windows are a go-to choice for homeowners who want a reliable blend of style and practicality. Elegant bay and bow windows. For those looking to make a bold statement, bay and bow windows are standout options. Architectural drama. These windows extend outward, adding depth and dimension to your home's exterior. Increased natural light. Their design captures sunlight from multiple angles, brightening interiors while making the home's facade look larger. Charming appeal. Bay and bow windows bring a sense of elegance and sophistication to any residence. They're especially effective for creating a focal point in living rooms or front-facing areas. Sleek casement windows. Casement windows offer a modern touch that appeals to homeowners who prefer clean lines and contemporary styling. Unobstructed views. Their large panes maximize visibility and natural light. Ease of operation. Hinged at the side, they open outward with a crank for excellent ventilation. Energy efficiency. When closed, they seal tightly, keeping Green Cove Springs' humid air at bay. Casement windows are ideal for homeowners wanting to combine function with a fresh, updated look. Picture windows for maximum impact. Sometimes simplicity creates the strongest impression. Picture windows are fixed panes of glass that frame outdoor views like artwork. Dramatic effect. Large, uninterrupted glass areas add modern elegance to your home's exterior. Natural light. They flood rooms with sunlight, creating bright, welcoming interiors. Design flexibility. Pair them with smaller operable windows for ventilation while maintaining their striking appeal. For Green Cove Springs residences surrounded by scenic beauty, picture windows are a stunning way to highlight views and elevate curb appeal. Custom window shapes. Want something truly unique? Custom-shaped windows, arched, round, or geometric, add personality and flair. Architectural character. These designs highlight specific features of your home's facade. Personal touch. They allow you to tailor your home's appearance to reflect your individual style. Curb appeal boost. Unique shapes create a lasting impression, setting your home apart from others in the neighborhood. Custom windows are perfect for Green Cove Springs homeowners who want a signature look. Final thoughts. When it comes to curb appeal, windows are more than a necessity, they're an opportunity to showcase your home's style and character. Whether you choose the timeless appeal of double-hung windows, the elegance of bay and bow, or the bold statement of picture and custom shapes, the right windows can transform your Green Cove Springs residence into a neighborhood standout. Investing in new window styles doesn't just beautify your home. It adds value, increases natural light, and improves daily comfort. With professional installation, you can enjoy windows that look stunning, perform efficiently, and boost curb appeal for years to come.